My favorite stop, Mark. Okay.
Hey, there he is.
Yes, Mark. Oh, are you saying okay to my YouTube channel?
Hi, YouTube.
All right. Yes, Mark is the best physical therapist. He's helped me greatly with the injection. Well, I got pain, and this is what happens when you have pain. You're relying on whatever the help you can get.
Whatever we can do, we're gonna help you if we can. So.
Okay, so he's very kind to me, and I think my complaint, I was just saying to Bridget, obviously we're gonna do IMS. It's intramuscular stimulation. So it is so important because otherwise they're so tight. The ligaments are so tight, and it's not working. Properly, nothing's working. But once he does the IMS, I feel so good. It balances out the muscles for some reason. I don't know why.
So the target will be the muscles that can help offset and unload some of the ligaments that Dr. Satin will be working with you. So it's a nice combination of things that you'll be getting.
I do have a little bit of pain on my right shin, Mark. And like here when I was walking.
Okay, so more into the backside, so more into like where the Achilles comes in to the calf muscle, or more in the front?
Oh, I don't know. What do you call this right there?
So that would be more probably the calf. The shin's going to be more anterior in this region here. Is that the area that you're talking about only on the right side, or is it both?
Oh, just on the right side for some reason. Just that area that I was showing you briefly right in there.
Okay, so we can kind of work on that as well as the back today too.
Okay. And I guess you did the left arm for me before a little bit. Yeah.
Did that help?
It really helped. It's amazing because when I swim, for some reason, it really helped. But I think it maybe just a little stimulation.
Sure, we can work on that too.
Okay.
What I'll have you do, I'll have you change into a gown. So those shorts will work nice. I'll step out, just open that door when you're ready, okay?
Sure. Now you can watch me change. This is the best part. Actually, I was just asking Mark, is this tapping? Because whatever it is, it activates a lot of muscles. And there was a technical term I didn't quite capture it.
This is an arthrostim. It's actually a chiropractic tool. So we're using slight graded oscillatory mobs in the lumbar spine to help relax those tissues.
Oh, that's fantastic stuff.
All right, deep breath in.
Okay, breath in.
Back out. And then just relaxing. Okay, let's have you turn that bad boy off for me for a second. I'm going to do a couple more spots before you go.
Okay, all right. So
Cheryl,
I'm all good.
I'm going to step out. I'm going to have you change, and then I'm going to have you meet us because I've got to let the ladies know up front that you're coming